We have to be very careful about what we say when we do this.
Sir, but initially, meron po ba kayong mga sinabi sa kanila na mga conditions po ninyo? Or what do you want to get from them at the very least?
Hindi, syempre, dalawa naman yan na wala sa batas, pero given sa human nature, di ba? About our concept of justice. Unang-una, the whole truth and nothing but the truth. Ang pangalawa, in the end, there will be restitution.
Sir, nung sinabi niyo po yung gusto niyo pong magbalik sila na nakuha po nila from the budget, from sa ating pong
Hindi pa namin pinag-uusapan yun.
Pero na-bring up niyo po ba sa kanila? Nabanggit niyo po?
I cannot answer that question without divulging details of our conversation. So, confidential pa rin yun.
But sir, sa kanila pong mga naging kilos, naging kahit pa paano demeanor, paano po yung naging reception nila?
I think they're relieved that dali akong kausap, I think that it's a relief for them to be talking to people who just want to go to the truth. Wala naman tayo ibang gusto rito. Gusto lang natin lumabas ang totoo sa bagay na ito para naman maparusahan yung dapat maparusahan.
Hi sir, Gio po from TV5. Without divulging more information, ano naging fruitful pa yung initial evaluation with
Sabi ko na nga, anything I say here will have to undergo that test. Confidential ka na. Sorry.
So tama lang yung question kanina nila sa lima doon sa, kasi there was a previous statement from you sir na gusto mong ipagkita sana yung mga nakuha nila na pera sa mga flood control.
Wala mo natin pag-usapan yan. Masyadong maaga para pag-usapan yan.
Pero gaano mahalaga yun sir sa initial?
Hindi, alam mo naman, concept of justice ng taong bayan. The law was written for the people. And that is the concept of justice that we all have as Filipinos. I doubt if there's anybody here who will say, pag may ill-gotten wealth, huwag isole. Diba? Lahat tayo, we agree on that. I think that it's one principle that binds us together on this matter.
Sir, sorry, nakakalala ko, okay. Pero are you satisfied na po dun sa pinili ng affidavit? Or meron tayo?
Hindi, wala pa kaming Alam mo yan, under the law, we have to make an affidavit and we have to make agreements. Kaya nga, we're just following the law here. Kaya wala pa tayong sasabihin mo satisfied ka rito, ito ba ganyan na yan. Hindi pa. This is a process that we have to follow. But yan kaya confidential yan. Kasi nga, we have to protect them. We have to protect them. That's the first principle that we have to let out to people. That we can be trusted with any information you give us. We will not use it unless we are able to agree. Unless we are able to agree on everything. Yun nga, sabi ko nga, they'll have to make a sworn statement again later on, and they'll have to have an agreement with us. Meron hong memorandum of agreement yan, pag sila ang i-cover, at marami pa. Under the law, bakaralan nyo yung batas. Hindi sa batas yan.
Pero it's safe to say na, sir, na candidate na sila for the governing team.
Well, everybody's a potential. This is a process that we're transparent about in many ways. Because we want the people who want to speak to be free to speak. That we will hold everything in confidence. Hindi natin gagamitin yan. Anything that we talked about earlier, hindi namin gagamitin yan pag hindi kami nagkasundo. It will be treated in confidence.
Sir, for the record, yung suggestion nila kanina, nasasabi niyong cooperative yung mga Visayas.
I think that they're really looking for a solution to their problems.
Sir, how long do you think this evaluation process will take?
Marami kasi I have to consult with some of the researchers who are deep into the subject matter already. We will have to get more background questions that we will need. Ano yan it's a process talaga. Kailangan talaga ano natin ang gusto.
Sir, nag-reach out po ba sa inyo si Senator Marcoleta regarding the meeting?
Hindi, we were together yesterday. In fact, I spoke to Curly Discaya in front of Senator Marcoleta.
Ano po, sir, yung, if you can share, ano po yung...
No naman, sabi ko nga, we were willing to evaluate. That's it. Yun it's a process Wala naman dyan instant, walang instant dito.
Diskaya yung nag-initiate na they want to go here po ngayon?
Hindi, ano yan, I asked the Senate President to make him available for our panel to talk to. Kasi this is the thing that when these things happen, I need a panel of people to be there so that we can record, not really record, but note the different things that have to be noted.
Sir, kanina pa parang ready na silang pag-telecall.
Ano pa yan? Marami pa. Kasi, ano yan eh, meron kasing art and science yan eh, asking questions and getting the answers that have to be elicited for it to be considered worthy of witness protection.
Sir, may iba pa po bang nagparamdam o lumapit po sa inyo na nais kong magpa-evaluate?
Marami meron na napaparandam na iba pa. We will get them one by one to talk to us. Kasi nga, ano yan eh, this law was created in 1991 precisely because of the need for justice to prevail in our country. 1991 pa itong batas na to eh. So, many people know that witness protection is hard to come by. Hindi naman talaga ganun kadali yan. Kasi nakakatakot kayo ng tumistigo pag ang kalaban mo may capability na makasakit ng tao. Diba? Mahirap yan eh. It's something that you really will seek out witness protection because there is a need for it. Kaya kami, we're doing our role, we're following the law, and we cannot divulge details about the conversations that we had, or the conversation that we had this morning.
Sir, gaano karami na yung malapit po napaparamdam?
We have 2 or 3 more for next week, but a lot more in the coming days, I think. Ano yan? We have to really. It's a process that has to happen because we have to be able to validate and verify information.
Sir, ito po ba ay mga pangalang lumalabas na, kasama na sa investigasyon?
Thereabouts, what you know and what I know are not too far apart.
Tapos, sir, while bukas po kayo na tumanggap nito nga pong mga gustong maging ma-evaluate for WPP, ano naman, sir, yung pwede nilang harapin kung kasinungalingan o hindi totoo?
Wala sila. Pagka nasa program ka na and hindi ka tumupad sa usapan, they can be liable for perjury. And perjury is actually a very serious crime. You cannot take it lightly.
Sir, balikan ko lang po yung 3-4 na possible next week. Part po ba sila ng top 50 construction firms?
Hindi lahat. Merong isa yata na kasama rin sa top 15. Pero meron ding hindi kasama.
Sir, taga-DPWH po ba?
Meron kaming gustong kunin sa DPWH, pero wala pa. We will have, I will still coordinate with the Blue Ribbon Committee on this matter. Kasi syempre, we have to help each other because the great pains that Senator Lacson has gone through to research about the subject matter, we have to respect that. And we have to take the cue from them on how to go about this matter. We cannot just take over and say, mali kayo, kami tama. Hindi po ganun to. It's one branch of the government helping another and trying to go through a process so that we can have our goal fulfilled. And our goal is to fight corruption.
Secretary, pati po sa naging pag-uusap nyo kanina, masasabi naman natin credible witness ang mga diskaya.
I cannot comment on that. We have to wait for the process to finish. We have to wait for the process to finish.
Sir, hindi ibig sabihin papasok sila sa WP, magiging witness na sila.
Kaya nga, proseso to eh. Evaluation pa to. Marami pa itong pagdadaanan. Hindi ito instant conversation and instant decision. Marami pang kailangan konsultahin dito. We have to respect the Blue Ribbon Committee. Sila nauna rito eh. Kaya we have to consult them also on certain matters. And we have to ask them to guide us through. Kasi meron silang research na hindi pa available sa amin. Hahanapin pa namin yan. Hihingin pa namin sa kanila yan. In fact, I intend to ask one of the staff, one of the officials of the Blue Ribbon Committee chairman to help us, to guide us through, because they did the research already.
Sir, kapag nasa WPP na kanina, ano po yung proseso? Anong mangyayari?
Yun nga, kailangan nga magkaroon ng memorandum of agreement with us. And they will have to execute a sworn statement detailing everything that transpired and what they're testifying to.
Sir, for the disguise,
And of course, yung commission, we have to coordinate with the ICI on this matter para hindi mag-double up ang efforts, para hindi masasayang ang oras. What we have, we will share with them. This is a many-pronged approach to solve one problem.
so sir, ano na po yung next step ngayon? After nyo makausap, may susunod pa po ba kayong pag-uusap?
Meron pa. We will arrange it with the Senate President and the Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman. Kailangan talaga yan, meron talagang coordination lahat ng bagay.
Sir, on a related issue, sir, today nag-file po ang NBI ng mga reklamo against contractor in a project related to flood control. Gaano po, ano pong pinapakita po nito doon po sa ating pong investigasyon patungkol po sa mga anomalya mga proyekto?
I-evaluate natin yan, but we will have to look at the jurisdictional matters first. Papa-evaluate din natin yan sa ating office, the people in the leadership. Kasi nga, we have a MOA with the Ombudsman. We cannot prosecute everything. The Ombudsman is the lead when it comes to graft and corruption. Republic Act 3019 and other laws are usually lodged talaga with the Ombudsman. But the memorandum of agreement that stands between the Ombudsman, Office of the Ombudsman and the Department of Justice is still there. So we will have to coordinate that. We can do preliminary matters, and if they tell us, please turn over all the matters, all the information to us, we will do that. Kasi sila talaga ang lead dyan.
Pero sir, paano po kung may inireklamo ay isang gusto rin naman po mapailalim sa ating pong WPP?
And ano yan ang WPP nga has that power under the law to even exclude you from prosecution. If your testimony is so necessary that there's no other way to prove it, pwede ka exempt from prosecution. You don't have to be discharged as a state witness. From the very beginning, pwede ka na maging witness ng prosecution. Iyan ang effect ng WPP na mahalaga.
Pero depende pa rin po yun, sir, diba? Hindi po yun.
Depende pa rin yan. Kasi nga, how important is the testimony and how accurate is it that we can clinch the case with that kind of testimony.
And sir, yung pagiging guilty rin po, not the most guilty.
Not the most guilty. I think the law is very clear on that.
Sir, may gusto po ba kayong idagdag?
Wala pa. There are a lot of things will happen pa the next few weeks. I look forward to meeting the ICI so that we can start coordinating. And I think that I will have to visit the Senate more often in the House. At least, ano lang to ang inisip ko lang talaga. Kasi nga, we cannot just take over the case and tell everybody, step out of it, kami naman. Hindi po to ganito It doesn't work that way. Ano to, everything is with all due respect to the other people who are working on the same, for the same goal. Ganun po ito. We have to cooperate with each other.
Sir, yung meeting with the ICI, sila po ang pupunta?
Kami na pupunta sa kanila if they have an office already. If not, I can tell Babe Singson, I can tell Babe Singson and ask them for a common area to meet, a mutually agreed upon area. Anyway, kilala ko naman sila And I know Mayor Magalong, I know Babe Singson. I've met Justice Reyes a long time ago. I met him a long time ago. We were much younger then. But it's a small world. Actually, we will be very professional about what we do here. Okay? Thank you.
Last na lang, sir, yung sa DPWH na nabanggit mo kanina, ano yung gusto niyong gawin sa kanya? I-under lang siya ng WPP for protection o gusto niyo siyang maging witness?
Meron kaming gustong evaluate the witness from DPWH. Meron kaming gustong evaluate the witness. Evaluate for witness protection. Pero ano to, basta we'll work on it. We're working on it. I have asked a few friends in the Senate to help us start the process also.
Sir, bakit siya? Bakit parang, bakit niyo gusto makausap or maipasa.
Alam mo, may mga vital link yan. Alam mo naman tayo, we have to create the links and connect the dots. And sometimes they are the most important pieces of the puzzle that connect the dots. Ganun yan eh.